This is the unboxing of the knife. This is the first blade of the knife. The knife consists of 3 blades: a big knife, a serrated knife, and a mini knife. The big knife is great for cutting boxes, and it cuts very nicely and smoothly. I do not have to use any force at all. There you go. Now I'm going to be using the scissors. They open very nicely, and you don't really get a lot of scissors that are very nice. Yesterday I went fishing and my line got stuck, and I had to cut the line, and it just went through. That was like a 24-pound line, and it just cut right through. That was very nice. It's very good for cutting all sorts of things. This is the toothpick. I'm going to be using the toothpick. Yep. And now this is the corkscrew. Unfortunately, I do not have anything with a cork. Now this is the second blade. This is the serrated blade. This one is very sharp. Be very careful with your fingers if you had one of these knives and you were using the serrated blade. I wouldn't recommend testing it on yourself. You shouldn't do that. It is a very shiny blade, very nice blade. It's very nice for cutting through stuff. It's very nice. So now I'm showing you the hidden needle feature. It does not come with a needle, but you can put a needle inside. There's a little hole near the corkscrew that will fit a needle. Now I'm going to be showing you the tweezers. Now, this is the third blade. This is a very small blade though. It's not that hard to open, but it is a very small blade. As you can see, there it is. Hard, little hard, but you have to be very careful with these 3 blades. It is a very shiny blade. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope you find it helpful.